Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 2042 black screen problem. If you want to fix this problem, click here and then type enable Xbox game bar. After that, make sure to turn off this option. Click here, go to Windows Update Settings. Now check for updates and install all the updates that you can find, and then go back and then go to GeForce Experience and go to drivers, check for updates and then install latest update for your graphics card and then close it. Now go to view advanced system settings, then go to settings, the first one. Now adjust for best performance, click apply and then OK, and then your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.